Hi guys, it's T from Scope looking at Tesla. Today is the 18th of September 2020. Currently Tesla is trading at around $439. And taking a look back, this is a daily chart. See Tesla's made some higher highs. It's pulled back from its high after the split of $500, down around $60 from there. Overall today, Tesla is big negative, move down from its open. If we're the Elliott wave count, we're probably on, this is probably wave 1, you could possibly call it, but wave 2 here, wave 3. So what we'd expect is an ABC correction afterwards. What we're looking at, also this high evaluations are probably driven by the fact we have a split, and splits are known to increase values beforehand, lead to decrease afterwards. Drawn on some zones of support. These are daily zones of support. Could probably draw one just over here. I wouldn't really call it a zone as such, but an area of interest. I'll put this on the chart about here at $333. So what's going on with Tesla? Well, first of all, Tesla's at astronomical valuations. I have no idea who is buying this and why people are buying it. It's mostly a cult type following. Whether the argument is if Tesla will go higher or not, who knows? Maybe people will keep buying this garbage and it'll keep going up. Now, it's not to say Tesla is absolute garbage, but at its current price, it's not worth this at all. And there's a lot of competitors coming into the market. I guess Tesla's unique selling point at the moment is their name and the fact that they've been around for a while. There's other competitors coming into the market. We have likes BMW, Mercedes. All of them are producing now electric vehicles as well. Tesla's looking to get to fully autonomous. I think it's aiming for a level 1. Other competitors from the Chinese market is the likes of NIO and Xpeng, whatever it is. Anyway, to trade this market, let's have a look here. What would I look to do in this current market after this sort of rise upwards? I would just scalp this market. I think if one were to trade the price from about 450 or 445 up to around 500, I'd look to short, and I'd look to get out around probably 340. You can make around $100 when it reaches around 340 or 300. I don't know if it would reach there. You could look to buy back. Now, from a longer term standing, it'd be interesting to see what happens when this 200 period moving average creeps up slowly, and we'll see what happens when the price starts to interact with it. I think we could go sideways for a long time, or we could suddenly break down. Now, I think it'll be interesting to put a channel on here and just see what are the figures like. So we'll stick on this. So I have to get rid of one. Let's get rid of the unbalanced volume. Stick on the channel. And we can kind of confirm those scalping targets around 330 up to around 500, even 450. Taking a look back, you can see our volatility is at all-time high. The channel is absolutely the widest it's ever been. That's a good sign that price could go anyway. Just clear up this chart, and let's just get rid of this channel and put back on the OBV. So this is the unbalanced volume. One interesting point here is, even though prices move downwards here, OBV is still going up. Unbalanced volume basically adds volume from the up days and takes away the volume from the down days. So there's still a bit more volume on the up days. I guess it was all this volume here. Overall, I think we're going to go sideways. Another interesting part is to look at the histograms. A lot of negative momentum, not as much positive. I think for the time being it makes sense that Tesla goes sideways, but we can scalp it in between this zone for the time being. Not looking to enter any long-term trade. Thank you.